friends, today we are going to make some bookmarks. First let's see the things we will need. Any color glitter paper, A4 color paper, dye paper and cardboard, pencil, glue and scissors plus ribbons. Trace a rectangle or any shape you like for your bookmark and cut it out in the cardboard. Put some glue on the shape that you cut out from the cardboard and paste the dye paper onto it. Now let's cut the cardboard shape out. Now mark the top of the bookmark and now punch a hole in the place you marked. Now take your ribbon out and let's put it in carefully by using a pen or the pencil. Now let's tie the ribbon so it will be secure. Now we are going to decorate our bookmark. So let's cut out some beautiful shapes. I cut some shapes as well. Now let's slowly paste them into the bookmark. Wow, I have made a beautiful bookmark. What did you make? These are my other collections of bookmarks. When I can't finish reading a book, I always put a bookmark that I have made where I have stopped. So I can remember the next time where to start reading the book. Bye friends.